Hello everybody, my name's John, a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to my latest video recipe. And in this one I'll show you how to make a traditional toad in the hole. It's a crispy golden Yorkshire pudding with juicy sausages inside. It's normally served with mash and vegetables and lots of thick rich onion gravy. A wonderful heartwarming British classic that the whole family will enjoy. And what's more, it's extremely easy to make. You can see the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on the channel's website. And the link to that page and lots more is in the description box under the video. Just find and click on the word more, and that'll give you access to all the relative links for this video, including our website store products. Okay, let's get on with today's recipe. Right, before starting the recipe, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, on gas mark 6. I'll start the recipe by making the Yorkshire pudding batter. Add your 2 large eggs to a bowl and give them a good whisk. Right, what's the difference between large, medium and small eggs? My interpretation of a large egg is when shelled it should weigh around 60 grams. Medium eggs around 50 grams. 45 grams or less, to me, is classified as a small egg. Add all of the flour to the beaten egg and mix it into a thick paste. Don't be tempted to add the milk yet. And a very quick mention to the channel's Patreon, PayPal, Super Thanks and YouTube's new membership supporters. I'll do the name splash and shout out a little later in the video. Once you have a completely lump-free smooth paste, add a little of the milk and whisk that in until it becomes loose and smooth. Now you can whisk in the rest of the milk without it turning into a lumpy nightmare. Whatever you do, don't forget the salt, like I just nearly did, because it was hiding behind the bowl. Once you have a nice smooth, loose batter, transfer it to a jug with a good pouring spout. Now get the batter into the fridge until you need it. You can even make this batter the day before. In fact, it'll happily sit in the fridge for a couple of days if necessary. For making the toad in the hole in, I'll be using our very own 26cm Falcon enamel pie and baking tin. The perfect dish for making a toad in the hole. And we do have a limited number of these on the website if you're interested. Okay, now the fat I'm using for this Yorkshire pudding recipe has to be beef dripping. It comes in lots of different packaging these days. I like these jars. And this one is also known as beef tallow, so I'm assuming beef tallow and dripping are the same thing. Apologies if I'm wrong. Right, get the tin into the hot oven and let the fat melt. For the sausages in this recipe, I like to use pork, but it's simply down to personal choice what sausage you like. All I've done with these is part cook them in the air fryer for 6 minutes on 170 Celsius, that's 340 Fahrenheit. Right, I'll set those aside for a minute. Once the dripping has melted, carefully lift it out and onto your cooker top and add the sausages. Try to leave a little gap in between them if you can. And while I'm placing those sausages in the tin, why not get up to date and join in all the fun with everything that's happening on the channel by joining our monthly newsletter. There'll be a link in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, get the tin back into the oven for about 5 minutes to get the sausages and the dripping really hot. And while those sausages are getting up to temperature, I hope you don't mind if I give my very latest Book 5 a quick shout out. This latest release features 12 all new bread recipes not found in any of my previous 4 books, along with even more brand new recipes for air fryers, pies, cakes and desserts and much more. The book also includes interactive elements such as QR codes linking directly to step-by-step video tutorials for each recipe. And you'll find links for all 5 books in the description below the video. Right, once your sausages and the beef dripping is sizzling, lift it out and back onto your stove top. Now quickly but carefully pour the Yorkshire pudding batter over the sausages. Now get the tin back into the hot oven. And a reminder, your oven should have been set to 200 Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 6. Once in, set your timer for 30 minutes. While the toad in the hole's baking, I'll very quickly knock up a portion of my gorgeous onion gravy. Add a little butter to a frying pan over a high heat. Add some thinly sliced onion, fry until they start to gain a little colour, in real time for about 5 minutes. Next is a half pint of beef or chicken stock. I'm simply using 2 beef stock cubes. Thicken the gravy with a little corn flour, you may know that as cornstarch. And because the stock cubes I used are pretty salty, I'm only seasoning with black pepper. And that's it. Perfect onion gravy done. Right, time's up on this gorgeous toad in the hole. And it's looking fantastic. Now, including the 4 trial runs I've done on this video, they've all looked slightly different each time. Sometimes the sausages are visible and sometimes, like this one, they're covered with the Yorkshire pudding. But absolutely delicious either way. Okay, I'll slide it out of the tin. And that's another huge advantage regarding these tins. Toad in the hole never sticks on them. It's beautifully crisp on the outside and those wonderful juicy sausages on the inside. I'll let you see what it's like on the inside first. Then I'll plate up a piece with some mashed potato and tender stem broccoli. Just like that. I remember my mother making this back in the early 60s, only her tins were twice the size of this one and she always had to make 2 of them, as there were 8 of us in the family to feed. Okay, time to try a piece. And that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you now, the whole family will give a massive thumbs up for this one, guys. Quick, simple, economical and a lot of fun to make. And as promised earlier in the video, here is the latest name splash and shout out list, including YouTube's brand new loyalty membership supporters. And they are Debbie Iyer, Kathy and Brent Irvin, Cynthia, Paula Buey's V5Y, Jens K3250, Jackie White 986, Karen L. Riley 1095 and Valerie W9I. And there's also one who wishes to remain anonymous. Thanks very much, guys. I really do appreciate all that you do in supporting the channel. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.